Hi guys, welcome back to my video. You guys, today we're gonna be opening. My dad's gonna be helping me build this. I'm wearing an apron from Lowe's, and let's get started. I'm gonna be using my hammer, my gloves, and my goggles to build a birdhouse. My dad's gonna be helping me do the instructions and to put these pieces together, and I'm gonna be doing the work.
Ready, Anna? So we're gonna put these two pieces together, Anna.
Okay.
This is the bottom, like that. Okay. So grab a nail.
And then here's one of the nails. A big one or a small one?
They're all the same. Put it in that little hole.
Put this one in.
Put the other one too. Put the other one. You can put both of them already.
And I'm gonna
Alright.
hammer them in.
Be careful with my fingers. Go. More. Harder. More. Perfect. Now the other one. Now we're going to start with the second piece. Anna, are you ready?
Yeah. Look at my hammer.
Let's see how it goes. Okay, so now Anna, again, put two nails.
Okay.
And then the other one. Perfect. Now you know what to do.
Yeah.
Now the other one.
If you guys want this or any of those tools, go to
Close.
Lowe's.
Okay, so the next piece is the top piece right here.
Okay.
And Anna's gonna put the nails.
This time I'm gonna put two small ones because I want to use a lot of big ones. Look, that one
Oh,
is.
you're strong, Anna. Whoa.
Excuse me.
No.
Them.
Next. Perfect.
So right now we're gonna put the front piece. Let's put the long nails, and this front piece is the most important piece.
Harder.
Now we're gonna put the back piece of the house. Let's get some nails. Do I get small
You
ones?
can
or
put the
big?
small ones.
Okay. Get the small ones. Put this over here. Put one in there. That's how far it goes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Oops. Gonna have to hammer it.
I'll hold it for you.
strong.
Let me see.
I hit it.
Next one. Good thing you're wearing. Anna, where are your gloves?
They don't fit me.
Oh, that's why. Sorry, but I'm here.
I don't have mittens.
I'm here protecting her. She almost lost a finger, but she's doing okay. Okay.
So this was the last and final thing, but well, I almost forgot the sticker. That's it. We gotta keep it falling out. Hope you like this video. Smash that subscribe button. See you guys in no time.